is being used the world over today to manufacture products of every kind. This technique has also made the construction of structures fast and also cost effective. On the 27th of April, Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman inaugurated India's first 3D printed house. The house, constructed at the IIT Madras campus, has been developed by a deep tech startup founded by the institute's alumni. More details in this report.
Constructing a house or a building is an expensive and lengthy process. Right from the design to getting hold of construction materials to actual construction, everything consumes a lot of time. That is why government housing schemes often get delayed. Now, Twasta Manufacturing Solutions, a startup founded by IIT Madras alumni, has built India's first 3D printed house using indigenous technology. On 27th April, Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman inaugurated the house constructed at the IIT Madras campus via a virtual program.
This is what is the example which stands before us to show it is possible to design it, to process it, and to have it also delivered within India, with Indian minds, with Indian designs, and with Indian creativity. It tells me everything is Atmanirbhar. Today, this message sends such message of positivity and repeatedly showcases India and its abilities.
The machine for this house can probably be, rented that way. And really, it looks, without going into further details, I can tell you, it really looks like this can address the beneficiary-led house construction, large-scale house construction, high quality, quality assured, price assured. The land title issue is still not solved, but the rest of it can possibly be addressed very well through this technology. I want to congratulate the founders, and I want to thank the Honorable Minister for taking time out to give them encouragement by inaugurating their house that they've built on the IIT Madras campus, a small one, as a proof of concept of what they have done.
Twasta Manufacturing Solutions is a part of the Affordable Sustainable Housing Accelerator, or ASHA, a new incubator of the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs established at IIT Madras, and it was formed in 2016. For constructing this house, Twasta has used a ready-to-implement methodology. The 3D printer fabricated 3D structures in a layer-by-layer manner using an eco-friendly concrete. Then these different structures were taken to the designated place and assembled to build the house. With a built area of about 600 square feet, the single-story home has a functional space comprising of a single bedroom, hall, and kitchen. Even the furniture inside has been made using 3D printing technology. With this technology, the entire cost of the construction can be reduced significantly. The technology also brings down the related carbon footprint.
Twasta was part of the cohort of 7 housing startups that we accelerated in India in 2019 to Tech, the world's leading platform for affordable housing innovation. And subsequently, we supported them with the completion of India's first 3D printed home. New technologies such as concrete 3D printing from Twasta offer advantages in terms of flexibility, quality, speed, and cost. We are excited about Twasta's work because it represents a new model for how companies, governments, and nonprofits can come together and reliably scale up affordable housing construction.
Using this technology, a house like this can be constructed in just 5 days. This will enable government projects like the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana to be completed in time. Apart from this, constructing rehabilitation buildings in times of disaster or constructing structures like military bunkers will also become easier. The 3D printing machine can also be rented to construct high-quality buildings with a low labor force and cost. This achievement can make better housing for the society's poor and give a boost to the Atmanirbhar Bharat campaign.